Hey guys, so you probably can't hear me well because it's really late and my mom's sleeping. But I'm gonna try in the rare claw machine to get the phantoms, and I'm gonna see how many times it takes to play it. I have thousands of gems, so I'll try and see if I'm good. And it turns out if you just hold the space button, it'll just automatically play. So I'm putting uh, a heavy item on the space bar, and it should start playing if I do that. And it'll start playing by itself. I'm gonna see how many tries this takes. Yep, I'm just resting and watching. So far, nothing. I'm gonna try to move. Is that a good area? I don't know yet because it's only been a couple tries and this heavy item isn't working. Okay, it is again. By the way, this is Bunky 8's den. So I'm using her claw machine to do this. So thank you, Bunky 8. Oh, I got something. What is it? Oh, that was a lightning. Oh, that one was kind of cool. I'm not sure how much I think I spent like 100 gems on them though. These black cheetah. Another thing. A white raccoon. I'm sorry if you can't hear me well. Purple panda. A brown bunny. Hope I get one of the otters or the remixes. Wow, I'm getting a lot. Pink bunny. I'm getting a lot in a row than usual. But as I said, you gotta wait on it. That's why you can't always tell if it's a good spot or not. I might move in a second. OMG! Whoa! That was awesome! Wait. I wanna tell her. Okay, guys. I got a plushie. I got a phantom plushie. Okay, I was not expecting that because they're super hard to get. I've been on this, like, I want to say, like at least, 30 minutes, and I haven't won anything. Maybe, 25, maybe somewhere around there. I'm not quite sure. I won a phantom plushie. I was watching, oh, we just made a vid a while ago. I won a phantom plushie. I want to see her reaction. Wow. It was orange. I'm gonna keep playing. Show off. But I wouldn't blame her if I had those. I'd show them off too. These are my phantom plushies. OMG, that one's so cute. Is that one in here? No. That one's so cute. OMG King is so cute. I'm recording, by the way. Haha, yeah. I really like this. Oh. Okay. So let's see what I got. Yes, I'm so happy. These are some of them I won before I started recording. So, yep. I like the one with clothing on them. They're worth a bit more. I'm really happy I got this one. But I'm even happier I got a Phantom plushie. I wonder if she's playing it now. Okay, so let's do this again. Oh wait, let me. That looks like a good spot. Yeah, that looks like a good spot. No guarantees, but oh yay! What did we get? No way! No way! OMG, that's so awesome! Yes! OMG, I'm so happy. I don't know why that keeps coming up. Let me see, I gotta like. That was so awesome, OMG. OMG, I can't stop saying OMG, but when I do stuff like that, my mom gets so paranoid. Was that the last good item in this area? Probably was. Do I have to use the mouse now? I was kind of looking in this area too. Wait, let me do that again. Oh, okay. And a plushie. Okay, I'm just gonna keep this on here. I might have to get a heavier item. Yes, what do we get? Oh, nice, another Arctic Wolf plushie. I wonder if Bunkie is playing too. Oh, what did we get? Rhino plushie. I think I got another one of those. Sorry if you can't hear me, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna move places right now. I feel like going that way a little bit. Actually, I think I'll have better look over here. Okay, I like this spot. I have a good feeling about it. Oh, what do we get? Oh, a purple Arctic Wolf plushie. Okay, I'm gonna move now. I'm gonna try going over here. I like this spot. Yeah, I really like this spot. What do we get? Ooh, a fox plushie. I love the fox plushies. They look so prompt. I used to have a huge plushie collection and I gave it all away. I'm kind of thinking about starting my plushie collection again. So yay! I'm probably gonna get a whole collection with all this. I usually have a separate den for all my plushies though. And I have a lot of beta plushies right now. I have beta fox plushie, giraffe. Oh, what do we get? Oh, another fox plushie, yes! I think I'm gonna move right about now. I like this spot. I like all the spots, but you see how they're all stacked on top of each other? Makes me have good feelings. Good vibes. Oh, what did we get? Another fox plushie? Elephant. I love these two. They just look so cute. But I think I'm gonna try, and then I'm gonna go again, because each time, see how they're placed differently with different animals. That looks good. Yep, good spot. Actually, I don't think so. There. Yep, I like this spot. What do we get? A rhino plushie. The background is the heater, by the way. And what did we get? A green raccoon plushie. And we got a brown rhino plushie. I'm probably gonna make another video for this. Oh, that one's like a brown monkey, so it has like an original color, which is pretty cool. And ooh, red leopard. I love leopards. Especially pink ones and ones that have sundaes on top of their heads. There's this one that has like ice cream on top of his head. It's really cute. Another rhino. Ooh, we got an original color rhino, which is the gray color, as average. So I think some can have a dark gray and a light gray. Yeah, an orange panda plushie. And we got a black snow leopard plushie, and I have plenty of black snow leopard plushies, but it's nice to have another. Ooh, a blue cheetah. I really need some more cheetahs. A blue crocodile. And this time we got air. Air is a very nice prize. We need it to breathe. It's beautiful. Oh, what do we get? Another white raccoon. Thank you guys for watching. Ooh, I got another one of those black plushies. Thank you guys for watching. It really means a lot. I'm going to make another video of this right now. Let's see. So for the rest of the video, like couple seconds I'll just be doing this. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye-bye.